For creative DIY bathroom decor ideas, building a modern bathroom cabinet can be a fantastic project to undertake. Modern bathroom cabinet not only provides functional storage, also adds stylish touch. Perfectly suits your style and storage needs. To begin your DIY project, start by planning your modern bathroom cabinet. Consider the size of your bathroom, available space and your storage requirements. Determine the dimensions of the cabinet and sketch out your design. Make sure to incorporate compartments, shelves or drawers that cater to your specific storage needs. Choosing the right materials is crucial for building a modern bathroom cabinet that is both durable and visually appealing. To maximize storage and organization, consider the interior of modern bathroom cabinet. Incorporate dividers or organizers to keep items neatly arranged. This customization will help you create a functional and efficient storage solution tailored to your needs. To achieve a modern aesthetic, pay attention to the finishing touches. Choose a modern color or stain that complements your bathroom decor. Consider using a metal glossy finish for a sleek appearance. Enjoy the satisfaction of completing project and transforming bathroom into a modern oasis with your own handmade cabinet. Follow us and get more details.